Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the La Costa Beach Club in Pompano Beach, Florida. This is the studio oceanfront room. When you first walk in, you have the kitchen over there, dining table, TV with a DVD player and dresser, and a sitting chair. And you also have the sofa, which converts into a bed, as well as a pull-down Murphy bed. And this room is oceanfront, so it has a balcony to the ocean. Ocean view. 2 sitting chairs. And also a nice lay-down chair to relax. Nice view of the ocean. Then in the kitchen, you have a coffee maker, toaster, and a blender. Kitchen is fully stocked with chairs and cups, mixing bowl, utensils for the kitchen, spoons, knives, and forks, and you have pots and a grater, tea kettle, full-size stove and oven, microwave, set of knives, dishwasher, and that's it. Now we're going to continue into the bathroom. In the bathroom we have a single sink, in the toilet, towel rack, and a shower. That's going to complete the room tour of the La Costa Beach Club Timeshare Resort in Pompano Beach, Florida. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and follow along for more videos to come.